Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling a privacy protection password on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The privacy protection password is used for apps that might contain sensitive information. It will require a password every time private items are accessed in apps, such as files, photos, notes, etc. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, select Passwords and Security. Now tap Privacy Protection Password. Tap the toggle to turn the privacy protection password on. You will then need to choose your desired PIN to use as your password. Privacy protection password is now set up on your Xiaomi phone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.